Guys, welcome back to another episode today we're at the other end of Medi Park. I do have a video from yesterday where I was all the way over there, but for some reason it wouldn't post. But today this is all thawed out mostly. There's a couple of sheets of ice right there, but anyway, we got double hook rinse. We're using worms, power bait, and sand eggs on all of them, and I'll go more in depth once we catch one. But other than that, we're just gonna wait for a bite, kind of like we're carp fishing, and keep y'all posted. Got a fish. I don't know what he came on, but he just took a big jump. Oh, guys, right here. He ate the power bait. Or no, he ate the second hook. Golly, that is the world's smallest trout if I've ever seen one. There we go. He's coming in for a minute. In he is. Oh, God. Okay, here we go, guys. Nice. Rainbow trout. Actually, we're resting them in the water just because I am not planning on keeping this fish. I don't know, I might actually give it to someone else. Oh, look how tiny that fish is. Guys, look at how tiny that freaking fish is. Look right in the bottom of the mouth there. Corner of the mouth. Oh my gosh, guys, that is pretty. This is what... Here we go. This is what I've been trying to catch. At Angel Fire. Here. Look at him. We finally did it. That is a beautiful first trout there. He is literally... Actually, I'm going to scale him real fast. I forgot I got a new scale for Christmas, and so what we're going to do, since I'm on taking a lip here, here we go. We're going to leave him right here in the net. And, let's see, do that. I doubt he's going to be big enough to eat for anyone, but anyway, we're going to go get the scale real fast. Okay, here we go. 0.46. Just a little over a quarter of a pound there. Just a little bit heavier than Jeffy. But anyway, I'm going to find someone who wants to eat this real fast. I don't know, guys. He's not bleeding or anything. He's actually in perfect shape. Guys, I just had a massive hit. That was the hardest trout bite I've ever experienced in my whole life. Literally almost took the right, like, just arced into the water. Golly. Sure hope he comes back. I got him, guys. Feels a little bit better. And he's sure his head shaking. One thing I love about trout, they are so hard. They are such hard fighters. Dang, he took that second hook again. There he is, guys. Actually, smaller than the last one. Come here, buddy. Let's go. Thanks, bud. Alright. Well, they really like that salmon egg worm combo. See, here's the color of the salmon egg I'm using anyway. He choked it too. Right there. Little yellow salmon egg. Took it pretty deep too. Might have to get the pliers. Alright, guys. Hook's out of him. Take a look at this fish. This might be a little bit smaller than the last one here, but about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller. He felt bigger because he started head shaking more, but anyway, we'll get him in the net and we'll get a quick weight on him. And he'll quit flopping. It is 0.39. He's just slightly smaller than that other one. So, alright. Let's turn that off. Get one last view. Not bleeding at all, in perfect shape. We're gonna let him go. Guys, I'm hooked up on the new rig. He ate the worm, so I can already tell. Got on a new rod and reel too. Small. Look how small this one is. Woo. Oh, there went my salmon eggs. All tangled up. There we go. There we go, boys. He's been biting so lightly. I finally got this sucker. Dang, he swallowed it. Oh, he swallowed it. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to find... Oh, what the heck? My rig just broke. Okay. Well, we're gonna find a way to get this fish off real fast. Alright, boys, and there he is. Yeah, let's get some light on him. He's just barely squirming. That was the weakest trout fight I've ever experienced in my life, but that is a pretty healthy little stalker. A little bit fatter than the ones I was catching yesterday, which I'll show y'all in the video in a little bit, but let's get this guy back. I'm not keeping these because, I mean, after all, I really don't eat fish that come from dirty lakes like this. But I'm not saying Medi Park's like dirty or anything, but I just don't like eating fish from city lakes. So this guy obviously wants to go back, so we're gonna help him out with that.